ChatGPT has revolutionized our interaction with artificial intelligence, providing a seamless and natural conversational experience. However, did you know you can further enhance its capabilities by incorporating plugins? These powerful add-ons bring additional functionality and features to your ChatGPT conversations, opening up a world of possibilities. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore a range of must-have plugins and delve into their specific uses and benefits. From sentiment analysis to transition, knowledge retrieval, code execution, and task management, we'll take a deep dive into each plugin, showcasing how they can supercharge your ChatGPT interactions. Get ready to unlock the full potential of ChatGPT with these game-changing plugins. Wolfram. The Wolfram plugin for ChatGPT introduces an incredible computational power to your conversations. Imagine having a personal mathematician to assist you with complex equations, data analysis, and scientific simulations. With this plugin, you can tackle challenging math problems, perform sophisticated calculations, and access vast mathematical knowledge. One of the most impressive features of the Wolfram plugin is its ability to compute derivatives. If you find yourself stuck on a math problem that requires finding the derivative of a function, you can simply ask ChatGPT by stating, "What's the derivative of your equation?" After entering your equation, the plugin will swiftly provide you with the answer, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, the Wolfram plugin is wider than basic mathematical operations. It can handle complex equations and perform advanced data analysis. Whether you need to solve differential equations, explore intricate mathematical concepts, or analyze large datasets, this plugin has got you covered. With its integration of the Wolfram computational engine, the plugin leverages Wolfram Alpha's vast computational capabilities and extensive mathematical knowledge. It combines the power of artificial intelligence with advanced mathematics to deliver precise and reliable results. The Wolfram plugin is particularly useful for students, researchers, and professionals working in fields that require mathematical computations and data analysis. It streamlines the process of solving mathematical problems and provides a valuable resource for exploring mathematical concepts. The Wolfram plugin for ChatGPT transforms your AI conversation partner into a computational powerhouse. With its ability to handle complex equations, perform data analysis, and provide instant solutions, this plugin offers an invaluable resource for anyone seeking mathematical assistance or exploring the depths of mathematical concepts. Embrace the power of Wolfram and unlock a new level of mathematical prowess with ChatGPT and its Wolfram plugin. It still seems quite mundane next to our next plugin. Instacart Plugin. Get ready for a grocery shopping revolution with the great Instacart plugin. Say goodbye to the days of scrolling through countless shopping apps and hello to the future of effortless grocery shopping. Imagine sitting on your couch, hungry, and realizing you're out of groceries. Instead of diving into the chaos of shopping apps, you simply ask ChatGPT, armed with the mighty Instacart plugin, to work its magic. "Hey, ChatGPT, can you add a dozen eggs and a loaf of bread to my cart?" And just like that, your shopping is handled without even lifting a finger. The Instacart plugin is your personal grocery shopping assistant, designed to make your life easier. With a few simple voice commands or messages, you can add items to your virtual cart, track your delivery, and even receive personalized recommendations. It's like having your shopper at your beck and call. The Instacart plugin also brings convenience to a whole new level. You need to buy an essential ingredient for that special recipe? Just ask ChatGPT to add it to your cart. Gone are the days of rushing through crowded supermarkets, dealing with long checkout lines, and carrying heavy bags. With the Instacart plugin, you can shop from home or anywhere. It's grocery shopping on your terms at your convenience. So why waste time and energy on traditional grocery shopping when you can enjoy the benefits of the Instacart plugin? Embrace the future of shopping and let ChatGPT and Instacart handle all your grocery needs. Sit back, relax, and let the groceries come to you. Remember, with the Instacart plugin, grocery shopping has never been easier or more enjoyable. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to a new era of convenience. Get ready to change how you do groceries with the power of Instacart. KeyMate AI Web Search Plugin. KeyMate AI Search is the superhero of web searches. Say goodbye to the endless scrolling and frustrating hunt for information. With KeyMate AI Search, you can sit back and let the advanced algorithms do the work. Whether you're a student or a researcher, gone are the days of getting lost in irrelevant search results. KeyMate AI Search is like having a personal research assistant at your fingertips, ready to tackle any query with precision and speed. Need to find the latest breakthroughs in quantum physics? KeyMate's got you covered. It'll scour the vast expanse of the internet and deliver the most accurate and reliable information right to your virtual doorstep. But KeyMate AI Search isn't just about finding information. It's about empowering your chatbot to be a knowledge powerhouse. Integrating this plugin makes your chatbot an efficient and accurate companion, providing valuable insights and answers to your users. From answering complex questions to assisting in research projects, KeyMate takes your chatbot's capabilities to a new level. With KeyMate AI Search, you unlock a world of knowledge and make your chatbot an invaluable resource for anyone seeking information. So, sit back, relax, and let KeyMate do the heavy lifting while reaping the rewards of a more intelligent chatbot experience. In the realm of web searching, KeyMate AI Search is a game changer. It simplifies the process, removes the tedious work, and empowers your chatbot to become a trusted source of accurate information. Embrace the power of KeyMate and revolutionize the way you search the web. Get ready to elevate your chatbot's capabilities and embark on a journey of effortless discovery. The future of web searching starts here. OpenTable AI. Say goodbye to the hassle of phone calls and endless scrolling through restaurant apps because OpenTable AI is here to revolutionize the way you make reservations. With the OpenTable plugin, booking a table becomes a breeze. Whether it's a romantic date night or a family gathering, your dining plans have never been smoother. Picture this. You're craving a delightful evening out, and all you have to do is ask ChatGPT, "I want to make a reservation for 2 people at 7 p.m. on Saturday." In a flash, the OpenTable plugin springs into action, scanning through the finest dining establishments in town to secure a reservation at the perfect spot. No more frantically searching for availability or settling for second-rate choices. OpenTable AI ensures you're seated at the best restaurant in town, offering a seamless and convenient way to indulge in culinary delights. OpenTable has you covered whether you're in the mood for a cozy cafe, a trendy fusion eatery, or a 5-star gastronomic experience. By integrating the OpenTable plugin, ChatGPT becomes your personal restaurant concierge, effortlessly making reservations tailored to your preferences. It takes the stress out of dining planning, allowing you to focus on enjoying the experience rather than worrying about logistics. So, sit back, relax, and let OpenTable AI secure your dining reservations. Say farewell to the days of uncertainty and hello to a world of culinary convenience with the help of the OpenTable plugin. Web Pilot Plugin. The final plugin we have for you today will change everything. Introducing Web Pilot, the ultimate tool that will transform your browsing experience into a thrilling adventure. With the Web Pilot plugin, ChatGPT becomes your co-pilot, effortlessly reading thousands of web pages in the blink of an eye. Imagine having access to a vast sea of information, but needing more time to dive deep into every article and web page. That's where Web Pilot comes to the rescue. Simply share the link to an article that piques your interest, and ChatGPT will journey through the web page, extracting the most vital information and generating a concise summary. No more endless scrolling or skimming through lengthy articles. Web Pilot allows you to quickly grasp the essence of any web page, giving you the power to stay informed without sacrificing your precious time. Whether you need a brief overview for a quick catch-up or a comprehensive deep dive analysis, Web Pilot has your back. Not only does Web Pilot save you time and effort, but it also ensures that you take advantage of valuable insights and knowledge. It's like having a personal article curator ready to provide you with the most relevant and essential information from the vast expanse of the web. So, get ready to explore the online realm like a true adventurer. Let Web Pilot be your guide as you navigate the endless digital landscape, uncovering treasures of information and gaining valuable insights along the way. Subscribe now and join us on this exhilarating journey of discovery with ChatGPT and its remarkable Web Pilot plugin. Conclusion. These 5 incredible plugins have revolutionized the capabilities of ChatGPT, making it an even more powerful and versatile tool from the Wolfram Plugin, which turns ChatGPT into a computational powerhouse, to Instacart's plugin, which changes the way we do groceries, and KeyMate AI Search's ability to remove tedious internet searches, followed by OpenTable's seamless restaurant reservation experience, and finally, the Web Pilot plugin, which allows for lightning-fast web browsing and article summarization. With these plugins, the possibilities are endless, and ChatGPT becomes an indispensable assistant. So remember to subscribe for more amazing content and unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and its great plugins.